So we're getting things started here, putting down our first rows. If you get to an angle like this, you can see we're going to be square against the wall, running our rows this way. And the easy way to find this angle is to know the width of your plank here. And I know that on the face of this, not including this lip, I've got 7 1/8 inch. So if I go against the wall here and I find a place where 7 1/8 matches up to that brick, and I give it a mark, then I can come back across this and I can measure back how far that is and get pretty close to what my angle is by measuring back on the board to a full width and then cutting it down. May take you a couple of tries, but if you can get that dialed in, then you can set your saw with the correct angle so that each piece gets cut at the correct degree.